Do you want to learn how to make money online? Well, just follow these simple instructions, and I'll show you how. Step 1 is to click to play the video. Step 2 is to watch it for at least 10 seconds. And Step 3 is to cash out your earnings and bill. So right now I'd like you to take a look at all of these videos right here on your phone. That can help you make a lot of money online. If you're wondering how much money you can make from watching videos, consider this. If you watch for 1 hour, you can easily earn $40. If you watch for 2 hours, you can earn $80. And if you watch for 3 hours, you can earn $120. And you can do this as many times as you like. And the greatest part is that it's completely free, which means you won't need any money to get started. And yes, it's available worldwide. All you need is a smartphone or a computer to get started, and you can literally start making money right now. So in this little video, I'll show you how to create a free account and give you a bunch of hints and tips. I'll also show you which videos will pay you the most money, and I'll also show you a live demonstration of how to do it so you can see me do it step by step on this video. Before we go further to this video, welcome to the Everyday Money, where we will teach you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Okay, so first and foremost, I'd like to introduce you to swingbucks.com, which is a fresh new website. As you can see, you can get paid every 15 seconds on this unsustainable website. There are a variety of videos and channels that you can watch to make money online, with their earning potential being limitless. In a moment, I'll show you how to watch a very simple video like this one, which will play after this ad. I'll show you how to watch this 10-second advertisement and watch the video and earn money over and over again, which is exactly how all of these guys make a lot of money on this website every single day. Also, this is very important. You can earn money for free in various ways on this website. First, you may see advertising and earn money online. Second, you can click on the clicks grid and get money as well. This is a pretty cool strategy. If you want to earn $500 per day using YouTube, click the link in description. Today's focus is simply watching videos. As you can see, you can watch videos and be paid for it. So right now, I just want to remind you to watch the entire video so you can understand everything and get started making money online. So now, step 1, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for free on Swingbucks. And I want you to go ahead and click on this register button right here, which will take you to the registration page. As you can see, you can now register either on your phone or on your computer. So for the general information, just give your full name, username, password, and password confirmation, and don't forget your email address. Oh, and also the payment account, which is the second part. And once you get into your PayPal account, you can receive your money in perfect or impair by simply entering your payment information, such as your PayPal email address, in this box. You can also get paid in other payment methods once you log into your PayPal account. So once you've completed everything, you must complete the image verification and input anything you see in this box. Now I'm just going to click on this one right here, agree to the regulations, and click on the register button. Now for step 2, once you've logged into your account, you'll see a variety of commercials and videos that you can view to earn money online. So as you can see, there are a lot of various companies on this website right now, which means you have a lot of different options to look at daily adverts. So you can discover numerous companies over here that supply you with fresh new video advertising that you can watch to make money online. But the number one problem that beginners encounter is that they don't know which company or which video ad they should watch and focus on to make the most money. So, for those of you who are still watching, first bonus tip I will give you is to concentrate on micro ads. The reason I want you to concentrate on this category is that you can make money online simply by watching 10-second videos. As you can see, after 10 seconds of the video ad playing, they'll switch to a normal video. So all you have to do now is keep watching and waiting for the next video ad to appear, then wait for another 10 seconds. You'll be able to earn a lot of money. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved this video so far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. So it's now time to get back to work and earn some money. So now I want to give you another bonus tip. You can actually turn off the volume of your video. As you can see here, just click on this one to mute the video and turn off the volume. And by doing so, you can actually let the video play in the background. So you can do your own things. You can do your other stuff on another browser. So this is a very powerful method where you can watch multiple videos at the same time. So if you have a computer or a phone, you can open numerous browsers on different devices, and the more videos you view, the more possibilities you have of seeing video advertising. And while watching the video for 10 seconds, you may actually make money over and over again. You'll notice that whenever you watch a video, you're guaranteed to see one video ad in front of it that will give you a lot of guaranteed income. And once you finish watching the entire advertisement, when the video starts, you might find out about 2, 3, or even 4 video ads from just one video. And once again, I'm going to give you another bonus step. which is that you can make a lot of money from just one video. As you can see, every time you click on these small little boxes right here, you have a chance to win up to $5. All you have to do now is choose whatever random box you want to play. For example, this box right here, which will open up a random website as you can see here. Now all you have to do is stay on this page for 10 seconds and you won't have to do anything. So if you're lucky enough, you'll be able to earn $5. As you can see, Swing Grid Clone is actually rather simple to play. Simply click anywhere on the image to acquire any boxes you want, and you could win up to $5 in your account balance. Each click will open up a sponsor's web page, which you must visit for up to 10 seconds, just like what I've shown to you right now. For instance, if you click on this box right here, it will lead you to a random website as you can see here. So just wait for 10 seconds and do nothing, and you could be able to win $5. So now you'll notice that clicks will be reset every day, and the midnight server time will be reset every single day after 12 a.m. Now all these boxes are going to refresh and you can click on them again. So this is another way to get money with Swing Bucks. So once again, that's how all of these individuals from various nations make actual money, simply by watching videos. And you can do the same by following all the procedures that I demonstrated in this video. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos. And if you like it, please smash that like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.